Okay, now before I start this video, I need to tell you what exactly happened. Last month, I went on a road trip to Rajasthan.
Check out the view.
I was all geared up, pumped up, since it was going to be my first road trip. I would be traveling 1000 kilometers for the first time in my life in my car. So I did all possible things, all possible shots, and in that process I completely forgot that the camera I have is not an action camera, it's a digital camera. Clearly, I underestimated the amount of dust and sand flying around on the highways of Gujarat and Rajasthan, and to make matters worse, I even stuck my camera out of the... Heartbreaking for me to see that dust on and under my lens. I visited 16 places in a span of 12 days across 3 different states of India, and this thing was there with me all along, and now it was time for me to take care of it. So I came back home and began the operation.
Tata.
Now step 1, you gotta switch on the camera so that the lens pops out, and then take out the battery. Now this is an important step. Here you got to align the circumference of the lens of the camera with the inlet of the vacuum cleaner. Now you can customize the position of the camera on the basis of the results you get, but I chose to start it this way. Let's see what kind of results we get. I then decided to extend the lens to the maximum point and then began the vacuuming procedure all over again. And one more thing. This is a lens pen. It's a very useful thing if you own any kind of a camera. It does a good job of removing the dust and smudges from the lens of the camera. I'll share the links in the description if you're interested in buying it. And I know what you're thinking. No, it doesn't leave any scratches on the lens. I've tried and tested it, and it's a wonderful product. Now let's see how it shoots after the cleaning process.